Let's take a look at this problem. We got 6 times x minus 1 minus 2 times x plus 3 equals 5. And let's go through our 4 steps. Our first step says to get rid of parentheses. Well, this one we actually have parentheses in. When you have a number next to parentheses, remember that indicates multiplication. So we're going to use the distributive property. We'll take 6 times our first term, which is x, and we'll take 6 times our second term, which is negative 1. And over here I'm going to take the negative 2 and multiply times our first term, which is x, and times our second term, which is a 3. Okay, so I'm going to have 6 times x plus 6 times negative 1, negative 2 times x, and negative 2 times 3 equals 5. Well, 6 times x is just 6x. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 equals 5. Always combine together like terms, combine together numbers before you go on, makes the problem simpler. Here we got 6x minus 2x, that gives us 4x. And we have negative 6 and negative 6, which is going to give us a negative 12. Okay, let me write down what I just said. 6x minus 2x, 4x, negative 6 is negative 12. Equals 5. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3, get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take this negative 12 and move it to the right side. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So this becomes 4x is equal to 5, and the negative 12 becomes a positive 12. Now our note at the top said to combine numbers in any step. 5 plus 12 gives us 17. And step 4. We want to divide both sides by the number in front of your x. Number in front of your x is a 4, so we're going to divide both sides by 4. And those 4s are going to cancel, and our answer is going to be 17 fourths.